May 2009, paper 1, time zone 1 combination, maximum mark 16. Let f of x is equal to ax upon x square plus 1, rational function from minus 8 to plus 8, x values, where a belongs to real number. The graph of f is shown in below. The graph is already given to you. The region x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3 is shaded. This is the region between x is equal to 3 and x is equal to is shaded below the curve. Show that f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x. So we already have f of x is equal to a times x over x square plus 1. Now we will replace x by minus x. So wherever do you see that x replaced by minus x? So when I write f of minus x, a times minus x divided by minus x bracket square plus 1. A times minus x is negative of ax. Negative x square is positive x square plus 1. So if you'll see this, ax over x square plus 1 is your f of x, and only addition thing is what? Minus sign. So minus as it is, and this is what your f of x, which is minus of f of x. That is what we proved. Given that f double dash x is equal to 2 times a times x square minus 3 over x square plus 1 raised to 3. You don't need to find out that. They have already given that f double dash x, double derivative is given. And they said find the coordinates of all points of inflection. Inflection means what? Double derivative should be equal to 0. So I'm equating this to 0. Double derivative is equal to 0, that is 2ax over x square minus 3 over x square plus 1 raised to 3 is equal to 0. Transfer this denominator on the other side, it becomes 0. So 0 is equal to 2ax times x square minus 3. This means what? Product of 2ax and x square minus 3 is equal to 0. That 2ax is equal to 0 or x square minus 3 is equal to 0. 2ax is equal to 0, so x is equal to 0. X square minus 3 is equal to 0, so x square is equal to 3, so x is equal to plus or minus root 3. As it is a paper 1, you don't need to find out the value. Just keep it as plus or minus root 3. They said find the coordinates of all points of inflection. So coordinates means what? We need to find out the corresponding y value. So I'm taking first x is equal to 0. If I'll put x is equal to 0 here, a into 0 is 0 upon 0 plus 1 is basically 0 upon 1 is 0. So you can see that this is the point, which is 0 comma 0. Then take plus root 3. If I'll put plus root 3 again here, a into root 3 over root 3 square is 3 plus 1 is 4. So a root 3 upon 4. So your second point is root 3 comma a root 3 upon 4. And third point is x is equal to minus root 3. A into minus root 3 is minus a root 3. And minus root 3 square is plus 3 plus 1 is plus 4. So minus a root 3 upon 4. So these are the 3 points of the inflections. It is given that integration of f of x is a over 2 ln of x square plus 1 plus c. You don't need to find out that. They have already given the integration of this term is a over 2 times ln of x square plus 1 plus c. Find the area of the shaded region, giving your answer in the form of a p ln q. So integration of f of x is equal to a over 2 ln of x square plus 1 plus c. I am writing as it is. Area, when you use area, you don't need to take c because c is a constant of indefinite integration. When we have a definite integration, remove c. So integration from 3 to 7 of f of x dx is integration of 3 to 7 of ax over x square plus 1 dx. We don't need to find out that because we already have the answer. Remove c. So when I take the integration, I'm not showing the integration sign. I'm writing a over 2 ln of x square plus 1, the answer which is given to you without c, and writing lower limit 3 and upper limit 7 behind the bracket. Now to find out the area, we first substitute the upper limit minus, then substitute lower limit as a x value. So 7, a over 2, as it is a constant multiplication, I'm keeping outside. Put 7, ln of 7 square plus 1. 7 square is 49 plus 1 is ln 50. Then put 3, ln of 3 square plus 1. 3 square is 9 plus 1 is 10 ln 10. Upper limit minus lower limit, so ln 50 minus ln 10. There is a rule, ln of a minus ln of b is ln of a over b. So I'm using the same rule. Ln of 50 minus ln of 10 is ln of 50 upon 10, which is a by 2 ln 5. That is the answer of area. Second part, find the value of integration from 4 to 8, 2 times f of x minus 1 dx. Now what is happening with f of x minus 1? This is basically transformation. When you do f of x minus 1 or you do x minus something, the graph is not moving left by that unit, the graph is moving right by that unit, because by default the sign between x and the horizontal translation is minus. If it is a minus, then this value is positive. That means the graph is moving 1 unit to the right. And the new limits are, they said, 4 and 8. It is obvious because you can see that in the diagram the lower limit was 3, upper limit is 7. Now if you are moving the graph to the right by 1 unit, 3 becomes now 4 and 7 becomes now 8, but still the area would be same because you are moving the full graph. This 0 0 becomes what, 1 1, and this graph will become like this. So this and this is what, 4 and 8 is same as what, 3 and 7. So we are not going to find out a new thing again here. Therefore we just say that since f of x is translated 1 unit to the right, hence the limits now instead of 3 to 7 becomes 4 to 8. I am taking 2 outside. So 2 times 4 to 8 f of x minus 1 is same as 3 times integration from 3 to 7 of f of x. So integration of 3 to 7 f of x dx, we got the answer a by 2 ln phi. The same thing will happen over here, a by 2 ln phi, multiply by 2, 2 and 2 get cancelled, becomes what, a ln phi. That is my answer. Thank you.